If you plan on attending college, you know the SAT exam is an important step along the way. But as you're preparing for the SAT, what are some strategies you can use? There's a lot of test prep information out there, and it's easy to get overwhelmed. Peterson's is here to help you. In this video, we'll focus on ways to turn the dreaded math section into the one you feel most confident about. Let's start with a problem that will look familiar on test day. If 8 over 9y equals 9 over 4, what is the value of y? A, 32 over 81, B, 1 over 2, C, 2, or D, 81 over 32. Okay, before you clam up because you see numbers and a variable, not to mention fractions, take a breath. Let's consider some general SAT facts. Every standard multiple-choice math problem includes 4 answer choices. One of them has to be correct, while the other 3 are definitely incorrect. This means that it's always possible to solve a problem by testing each of the answer choices. Just plug each one into the problem, and sooner or later, you'll find the one that works. But where to begin? All of the numeric answer choices are presented in order, either smallest to largest or vice versa. As a result, it's always best to begin with the middle option, either choice B or C. This way, if you start with choice C and it's too large, you'll only have to concentrate on the smaller choices. Back to our sample problem. Let's start with choice C, 2, because it will be easier to compute with than choice B. 8 over 9 times 2 equals 16 over 9. That doesn't equal 9 over 4, so choice C is too small. And because that knocks out the smaller choices of A and B, that leaves us with choice D as the only possible answer. We can check things to make sure. Remember, dividing a fraction is actually multiplying by the reciprocal. Answer D checks out. Working backwards to answer a question, while starting in the middle, is a great strategy you can use on any SAT math question. Need more SAT prep? Head to petersons.com for online prep courses, practice tests, and more.